Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this Lutron dimmer, and as you can see this one is single pole and three-way. You need to install a single pole dimmer if you need to control a light from just one location, or a three-way dimmer if you need to control a light from two locations. As you can see, this dimmer comes in two different packages, but both are the same. Let's open this one and let's see what we have inside. And in the box we have a dimmer, and it comes with pre-wired ground wire, this green one, and a wire nut. Locate the breaker and turn off the electricity. Take a screwdriver and remove a wall plate. Next thing that you wanna do is to remove a switch itself. Start unscrewing the screws and pull a switch from an electrical box. Now let's start connecting the dimmer. Connect a green wire to a ground bare wire. Twist wires around each other to make a solid connection, then connect a wire nut. As you can see, the dimmer has a small arrow in the right corner. You need to install this dimmer with this side up. Start disconnecting the wires from an old switch. I did already attach the wires to the bottom terminals. I do not use the top terminal because I'm installing a single pole dimmer. The top on the right is used when you install three-way dimmer. Start securing the wires by tightening the screws on the dimmer. Wire connections to the bottom screws are interchangeable. Now it's time to stuff the wires back into the box. Attach the dimmer to the electrical box. Install the wall plate. Turn on the power for that breaker. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.